I am in stop and go traffic for the nth time today. I'm about 1 hour away from my target area in Hartford, Connecticut. It's in the 90s by now, and the dew point is in the 70s, assumably. I have no AC in this car, so I can't say that I'm the most comfortable person in the world at the moment, but I think I'm making the right call here. Some storms are going up on the west side of the Hudson Valley, but I'm gonna try not to get suckered by that since the better parameters are further northeast. Even though I like the Hudson Valley much more than Connecticut, I'm gonna stick with the sensible target. All right, I am crossing the Connecticut River at the moment at exit 30. It is raining pretty heavily. I see a wall cloud. There's lots of CG lightning. Oh shit. That's a tornado warning. We've got a tornado warning.
Use the left lane to take exit 7 on the left to merge onto Glastonbury Expressway toward Portland.
Here we go. We got a view. We got a view. Trying to get a visual here, although it's hard. All right, that's the wall cloud right there. It seems to be outflow dominant. I think I need to start moving back south, but we got a view of it. All right, at this point, this is definitely an outflow dominant storm. The wall cloud seems to be gone, but it's very well structured and there's probably big hail in there. I see lots of blues in that downdraft. I have some marginal concerns about lightning. So I am gonna get back in the car, or at least near it.
The destination is on your left. Haddam Meadows Park Trail.
given up on this thing. I just can't keep sticking with it. And look at that shout cloud forming over there. Yeah, this thing is kind of done, so I am done as well. Bro, where am I? Oh my god. What am I doing? So, just to recap, I just went to the Hartford area and intercepted a tornado-warned storm, and I followed it south for a while along the Connecticut River. I've kind of bailed, and now I'm heading west to a different storm. Apparently Dusty wants to go really slow right now. But look at that. Wow, oh my gosh, wow, there is some pretty interesting stuff going on here, isn't there? Dang. So what we have here is, I mean, like, this was a pretty potent looking supercell embedded in a line, but now an outflow boundary has clearly undercut it. Okay, we are on I-84 westbound, sorry. Yeah, I-84 westbound, and there are lots of CGs, like, right in front of me. What is this, my 10th supercell? I am kidding, but once again,